How would you generate an AI image of a dog? I'll assume that most of you would just type a cute dog or something similar. If you want your image to stand out and be able to control what the AI gives you, you need to know these tips. Number 1, specify the subject as detailed as possible. For example, a cute golden retriever smiling into the camera. Number 2, tell the AI what background you want for your subject. I'm going to choose a studio environment with a navy blue background. Number 3, choose the light setup. For my studio environment, I'm going to use studio lights. Number 4, what emotion do you want your image to portray? Maybe happiness, sadness, or something else. For a cute dog, I'm going to go with happiness. Number 5, what do you want your image for? Is it for a movie poster or a social media post? My image is going to be for social media. Therefore, I'll type for a social media post about cute dogs. Number 6, the quality or style of the image. Should it look realistic or maybe like a paint drawing in the style of Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa? I'll use realistic for now. Number 7, if you can specify the lens for an image, then do it. As a photographer, I'm going to choose a 50mm prime lens. Number 8, where do you want the camera to take the photo? In front of your subject, from a bird eye's perspective, or maybe from behind. Now, because I want to show the face of the dog, I'll go for full body portrait. Now type all the information into the prompt and see what we get. What other videos would you like me to do in the future? Also, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you liked and didn't like about this video. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.